Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix all common exporting errors in CapCut, and it will be fast and easy video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to check your storage space. Like first, make sure you have enough free disk space. CapCut needs room for rendering and saving the final file. So checking available space in File Explorer, how you can check it, you just need to go to your File Explorer and then go to the PC, and now here actually you will able to see that properly. So here you can see a couple of apps are really space, so we can easily do it. So you just need to right click your C and export drive, go to properties and free space if needed. So here you can see it almost fulfilled, so we just need to be free this space. Now next you just need to be restart CapCut. We just need to be close this CapCut completely, then reopen it. Sometime background bugs cause export to fail, and a simple restart clears it. Then remove glitch clips or effect, like let's say glitch clips, crafted media or unsupported effects can block export. So removing a crafted clip or replacing a transitions, try detaining recent effects or replacing the media, then export again. Then change the export setting. You just need to click to the export. Once you did, then you will get the options. So let's say I'm going to upload one of them, and let's say I'm going to export this one. You just need to click on export, and then you will get this option. So here you just need to be do edit, like so changing resolution, frame rate and format in the setting. Set resolution to 1080p and frame rate to 30 fps, and try to switch it from MP4 to MOV. Like here you can see the format, so you can choose it as it you want. For bias versa, keep bitrate default. Then you just need to update CapCut and graphic drivers. Make sure your CapCut is up to date. Also update your graphic drivers. Outdated and ones often cause render errors, so check how updates in CapCut and device manager. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. Hi everyone.